Hi, I'm Cllr Toby Savage, the leader of South Gloucestershire Council, and I wanted to update you on our response to the coronavirus public health crisis. I'd like to start off with some big thank yous. Firstly, thank you to all of you for your efforts, whether you're at home self-isolating, out working in essential roles or volunteering. And thank you for the understanding you have shown and support you've given our staff as they work tirelessly to help vulnerable residents and keep essential services running despite some really difficult working conditions. Like many organisations, we have a high level of staff who are off ill or self-isolating or having to juggle caring responsibilities whilst working long hours. Our priority remains, as always, to look after vulnerable residents. That's why we're putting an extra resource into social care and our community meal service. I'm sure you will join me in thanking our social care staff who continue to visit the elderly, frail, those with learning disabilities and other vulnerable people in their homes to provide support that they rely on. Additionally, we have been delivering essential food parcels to the very vulnerable residents who have been asked to shield themselves for 12 weeks. These supplies were packaged by our library staff and delivered by our local community transport drivers to ensure people have essential supplies before nationally organised deliveries start. I know some of you have been asking if we can reduce council tax bills at this time, but by far our biggest cost as a council has always been social care support, and at the moment demand for this is higher than ever. We've had to make difficult decisions to reduce some services, such as our recycling collections, in order to be able to continue collecting your waste and recycling, albeit less frequently than before. We know this is a difficult time for many. There are various schemes available for those in financial difficulties, such as the new hardship fund, our council tax reduction scheme and other welfare grants that are available. And you can find details on all these on our website or by phoning the council's contact centre. We've also sent letters to thousands of local small businesses to advise them about new grants available to them. Once again, I'd like to thank everyone involved in dealing with the effects of the COVID-19 outbreak, especially teachers, key workers, council staff and volunteers whose community spirit is making such a difference. Please know that your hard work and selfless efforts are greatly appreciated by us all. For the latest information on what is happening in South Gloucestershire, please go to our website at southgloss.gov.uk/coronavirus. And if you know of someone who's not online, please call them and let them know about changes to services and the latest advice on how to stay safe.